this is Janet from Try It Like It Created, and I'd like to take you through my September monthly essential oil box from Simply Earth. This is the recipe box, and I get a box every single month, and it comes with 4 oils in it. This month is coffee, blood orange, sweet dream, and cinnamon. I wanted to point out to you that the coffee is a smaller one because it's a very strong oil. Also, none of these should be applied directly to your skin. Well, the recipes that come in this box are Sweet Memories Roll-On, DIY Fall Scented Pine Cones, Sweet Dream Floral Candle, Citrus Wax Satchel, Ice Cream Candle, and Autumn Days Diffuser Blend. The additional materials that come in your box are your mold for your satchel, the soy wax, your candle wicks, 2, and then your labels. This box theme is candle making, and so it's giving you everything you need to make your recipes, and the other ingredients that you'll need are included in your big box that you get with your first subscription. The other thing I want to point out is that there's a really nice instruction for working with pine cones and how to clean them and get them ready to be scented, and you can find that online at Simply Earth. So I want to let you know that I'm an affiliate with Simply Earth, and by using my special code, which is Try It Free, you're going to get a $40 gift card after your first subscription box arrives, and that basically gets you your second box for free. The value of this box is $118.98, and you're going to get it for $39. Each month you get a new box and with a new theme, and your very first order you're going to get your big box. So I really hope you join us. Like I said, with the discount code for a $40 gift card, there's no reason not to try it because you're paying for the first box. You're going to get the recipe box. You're also going to get the big box of supplies for free, and then you're going to get a gift card for $40, and then you can use that towards your second month. So your second month basically would be free.